Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Hello and welcome to our video on the best way to whiten teeth. Having a bright white smile can greatly improve your confidence and self-esteem, and luckily there are many ways to achieve it. It's crucial to first comprehend the potential cause of tooth discoloration. Drinking coffee, tea or red wine, smoking and becoming older are common factors. The color of teeth can also be influenced by genetics. Using the over-counter whitening solutions like dental strips, gels and toothpaste is one of the most well-liked ways to whiten teeth. This solution have a bleaching ingredient that aids in removing stain from the surface of teeth, open hydrogen peroxide or carbamide peroxide. It's crucial to carefully follow the direction and refrain from overusing these products since, if used incorrectly, they might lead to tooth irritation or damage. Another choice is to get your teeth professionally whitened by a dentist. This entails utilizing a stronger bleaching agent concentration than what is found in over-the-counter solution. The bleaching ingredient may also be activated by the dentist using a laser or a special light to expedite the whitening procedure. The benefits may be more pronounced and long-lasting with this choice, albeit it may cost more than utilizing over-the-counter treatments. In addition to using whitening products, there are also some natural remedies that may help to whiten teeth. These include brushing with baking soda, using hydrogen peroxide as a mouthwash, and eating crunchy foods and vegetables that help to scab away surface stains. While these methods may not be as effective as professional whitening, they can be a good option for those who prefer a more natural approach. While teeth whitening might make your smile seem better, it should be noted that it cannot take the place of basic dental hygiene. To keep your teeth and gums healthy, brush and falls open and go to the dentist for checkups and cleanings on a regular basis. In conclusion, there are a variety of techniques to get a white, brighter smile, including over-the-counter whitening treatments, in-office whitening at home course. For the greatest result, always pay close attention to the direction and practice appropriate oral hygiene. We appreciate your time and hope you found this video to be useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.